Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. Becky Schwarz joins us in the kitchen this morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We just love it when she comes. She just brings such a
Delightful.
bright, sunshininess to the show.
And appliances. And bright, shiny, cute appliances.
It's really, it
Yep.
didn't cost that much, I
I
promise.
love it.
So, Becky, how you been?
I've been great. How have you been?
Good. Now, Becky, we need to kind of, you are part of the LEAD program, aren't you?
Yes, the
Can we
Nebraska
just talk a little bit about
program.
that, because it's
Wow.
an honor to have her here, and you've been all over
Yeah.
the state, have you?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Yeah, well, and the state and actually the nation, in fact.
Wow.
The Nebraska LEAD program is an agricultural leadership program where they select, we've got 30 in our class. I think the number kind of varies, but it's people from all over the state. And what we do is we learn about agriculture in the state of Nebraska in different areas. We have
Nice.
seminars in different locations. And then we have an international studies seminar at the very end. But in the middle, which we just got done with, we have a national study travel seminar. I think I said that right.
Wow.
So we went to Kansas City and Washington, D.C. and Chicago.
Where's the international? Did you get to travel?
Well, we don't know
internationally?
yet. We're going to find out in, I think,
Oh,
September.
wow.
We find out where we go. So it'll be pretty exciting.
That is exciting.
Wow.
Mm-hmm, yep.
Wow.
So you're learning a lot and sharing what you know with other Nebraska.
Yes, well, the goal is
People.
to create a new, I won't use the word generation, but we want to continue to create leaders in agriculture in the state so that we continue to have a strong agricultural industry.
Good.
So,
So what part of the
inspire
states have you, I know we need to get onto this, but what part of the state have you been to?
all over, Omaha, Lincoln, we were just in Scottsbluff and Kearney, and I'm probably forgetting one, but it's mostly been those, I
Wow.
think.
Very
And it's
nice.
how long is the program? A year
The
long?
program
or
is 2 years long.
2 years long. Because you get to travel internationally, so you got to have that extra year to
Yeah, you do.
go
You
do
have
something.
to-
That's
have to go do that.
amazing.
Very nice.
Yeah,
So-
good for you.
So
All
that
right.
sounds great.
So let's get on
on
to
to
the
cooking.
business at hand.
And today we're going to be making a pecan cream pie, which sounds fake, doesn't it? Kind
Almost.
of.
I
think
would-
it sounds
Because you usually
delicious.
make pecan pie around Thanksgiving, but I'm sick of the weather. I was just like, I have had enough of this.
Yes.
Exactly.
I'm making something with cream cheese in it, and you
Yum.
can't stop me.
And
So,
there it is, friend.
yeah.
That's what it's going to look like.
That's the money shot, right?
Do you know what's really
Yes.
funny is I said, "Are
it's
you
delicious.
kidding me?" And then you said back, "I don't kid with my recipes."
Yes,
I
I,
take
don't
my
joke
rec-
about food.
Yeah,
No.
I don't take I
That's
take my
not-
recipes
it's not
seriously.
supposed to be fun.
Okay, so where'd you get started here?
Okay, first you're going to start with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and a fourth of a cup of powdered sugar. So what you're basically doing is you're making stabilized whipped cream is what
Okay.
that would be. So you're going to do that until you've got stiff peaks. I already started this, so hopefully it won't take too long to get to that point. But
Stabilized whipped cream. Now that's a new.
well, okay,
That's something new in the
so
baking
have you
world.
ever made whipped cream like this and then put it in the fridge overnight and then in the morning it was like liquid?
No.
Okay. Well, if you've done
Some
that.
people
In that little
Yeah.
nice plastic container, it usually stays.
Yeah, but you can stabilize your whipped cream, which means that it'll stay firmer for
Oh,
longer
okay.
by using something. I think you can use cornstarch too.
Oh.
I prefer to use powdered sugar because I like my stuff sweet.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I was gonna say, wouldn't the cornstarch make it like less sweet?
I
'Cause it
mean,
carries such a
it
flavor.
might, but it kind of depends on what you're using it for too.
Oh,
Because
okay.
there's some things you don't care if your whipped cream
Yeah.
is sweet, but I care all the time.
Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah.
much.
Good girl.
So-
Good girl. We like how you think.
So we did that. Now I
Okay.
think we can call that firm.
Call that good?
peaks.
so
Yep,
that's
stiff
just
peaks.
1 cup of heavy whipping
Oh.
cream.
Yep, just 1 cup.
Okay.
And then, okay, we're gonna take
Towel.
this
Here's our
one.
towel. Here's our towel.
Here, do you want to pour stuff in here? for me?
Yes.
All right,
What?
we have 2 blocks of cream cheese, so supposed to be softened,
Okay.
but it's not very soft
It's
right
getting
now.
there.
It's trying. But
I can hold that
set
for you.
there? All right, and then we
I
have,
gotcha.
okay, this is half a cup, I think. I have to look at my recipe.
Yep.
Half a cup of light brown sugar.
Okay.
It was packed. It's not packed right now. And then this baby is 1/4 of a cup of real 100% pure maple syrup.
Yum.
So don't use pancake syrup. Use this.
Okay. Because it just wouldn't taste the same.
Yeah, let's
will
have some self-respect.
it? For the maple. Let's hear it
There
for the
you go.
maple, the real maple stuff.
And I was lucky. I actually had some of this in my cupboard. I was very concerned I wouldn't, but I did. We're good.
It's really good.
All right, and now
I got some real maple syrup from upstate New York, and that is
York.
really good. That is really
I'm
good.
going to do this again because this whipped or the cream cheese is not where I want it quite.
Okay, so let's take a quick break, and we're going to finish this recipe up with Becky right after this. Stay where you are, friends. We're coming right back.